I'm currently printing my own 3D printer from scratch, and this is my new frame system I came up with. I'm using linear rails, also for structure, not only for guiding the gantries, and these 3D printed bracket at the bottom and the top, just to hold everything in place, and then it's very soft. The last thing I want to do is put these glass fiber strings in between them to pull everything together and create a sturdy, lightweight and cheap frame.